now I'm start cooking my black bean sauce and chicken, Chinese style. So as you can see, I went outside to pick some rosemary, and it's just so rain. You can see it's wet. Yeah, it's a rainy season, so yeah, it's wet outside there. Then I start cut my sweet chili pepper. Yeah, I mix some different pepper, but the main one is have to be the sweet chili pepper. You have to use like 1.5, and also it's depend for how many pieces of chicken you are cooking. Okay, so after that you fry them and use the oil I use the rapeseed oil. It's a very good oil to use. The way it's give the flavor and smell, and it's just so nice. I like to use rapeseed oil. Yeah, sometimes olive oil as well. Those two oil, they are the best, yeah, to use. So, and the spices I use, I just tell you some. Yeah, just tell you few. As you keep watching the video, you can see anyway, because I keep showing like here I use this and this and that. Yeah, so it's like mixed herb and all peppers, green pepper. It's just a little bit. Don't forget the garlic, coriander, rosemary. As you can see already, you saw me, I picked from the garden, and yeah, and few more. The sauce I use like a soya sauce. That is the main one. Don't forget to put soya sauce, otherwise you don't have that kick, the smell nice of black bean sauce. Yeah, and the sauce, the black bean sauce, you have to put like if you're using the bottle, maybe use it depends which one. Make sure you put a lot so that you can smell it nicely, to have that flavor in nicely. You can put a little bit hoisin sauce. Yeah, sweet chili. Yeah, you have to put a sweet chili. Yeah, you can cook your own way, but it's my favorite dish. I love it. It's so yummy. So after I finish frying and mix everything, and when it's finished, then you put a little bit spring onion, but that one I put it after, when I finish cooking. For now, I let you watch the video and you see the way I show you, like now I'm showing like I got all those spices. Yes, let's watch it. As you guys can see, it's really look delicious. It's look so yummy. If you want to try this dish, try it, then you thank me later. It's nearly finished. It's just a few more minutes. Then I'm going to prepare rice. Now I'm just showing what type of sauce or spice I use. And I'm going to prepare rice. I use the basmati rice. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah, that is a sweet chili pepper, the one I use. It's really good. Yeah, I add a little bit lemon. I forget to mention that. Yeah. So come along to check how I prepare my rice.